Hey everyone, some big news is coming out of Nikola Investor Relations, and in this video, I'm going to highlight what those changes could mean for Nikola stock investors and how it's impacting the stock right now. Of course, if we look at Nikola's stock price, in the last month, it's had an incredible run higher, almost tripling from close to 50 cents per share up to $1.43 per share as of this recording. However, if we look back further, if you go back 3 years, Nikola's stock price is way down, up from highs closer to $70 per share. It's now down to $1.43 per share. So this company has had a lot of ups and downs, mostly downs in the last couple of years, and some big news is coming out and the company's making changes. So let's go through these changes and discuss what it could mean for Nikola stock investors. So first, they're decreasing their annual cash usage by to under 400 million by 2024. That's a big thing for a company like Nikola that's burning through a lot of cash. Reducing that burn gives it more time, more runway to get things right, to get production, to get sales, and to put itself on sustainable footing. Additionally, it's reorganizing the workforce around new areas of focus and eliminating non-essential spend. We saw that by it sold its European operations to focus mainly in the US. Now it did say that it might re-enter, it might expand again, but for now it's taking a sharper focus. It's continuing to take action geared towards optimizing and protecting ongoing operations. And this was the big news that came out, was that the third quarter launch of the hydrogen fuel cell electric truck is on schedule. So it's weeks away, and investors were encouraged to see this, that there was no further delays, there was no setbacks, it's still on schedule. So that was great news for Nikola stock investors, and I think that played a part in boosting the stock price more so than the other changes in terms of reducing expenses. Getting production up and running is the big key here for Nikola stock investors, especially for the hydrogen fuel cell truck. It's already got the electric trucks out there. The hydrogen fuel cell is the next phase, the next growth area for Nikola. So it went on to say that it's realigning the cost structure, reducing cash spend by rationalizing spend, concentrating on the North American marketplace, including the sale of its joint venture in Europe to Iveco Group. So that was a big step, right? Making that sale reduced its costs and sharpened its focus, and it's prioritizing the capital efficient approach for the hydrogen energy infrastructure business, including the strategic partnership with Volterra to develop 50 hydrogen stations over the next 5 years. So expanding with partnerships is interesting because it reduces the um, capital costs of the expansion, right? It doesn't need to put up all the money by itself in order to make these expansions. It can partner with someone and share some of those capital costs. And here's what I think is the big driver for the company right now, is focusing on launching the company's Class 8 hydrogen fuel cell electric truck in the third quarter, which currently has 178 sales orders from 14 end customers. So this is the key here, is for the company to get this production up and running, start delivering these cars and expanding, securing more sales orders, reporting sales, reporting big partnerships with major companies that order a lot of these hydrogen fuel cell trucks. That's the key for Nikola now. Um, it's got to start showing investors, it's got to start demonstrating, it's got to start having evidence of progress. No longer with these behind the scenes moves. It's got to start showing evidence. It's got to start delivering these cars. We need to start seeing companies buy more of their cars, and we need to start seeing major purchase orders going forward. All right, but that's all I've got for this brief update for Nikola stock investors. Again, big news coming out from Nikola on June 16. primarily saying that we're cutting costs and at the same time we're on schedule to deliver our Class 8 hydrogen fuel cell truck in the third quarter. All right, thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.